Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the three major US indexes being the S&P500, the Nasdaq100, the DowJones30 future charts on this very first trading session of the week. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to anyone who's watching this video and wants to join my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's YouTube video. So if you want to join, just simply scroll down, click on the link in today's description, and that'll bring you to my website. Once my website, just scroll down ever so slightly and you can subscribe under the monthly subscription section by clicking that subscribe button. But let's get started with today's video. S&P 500 very positive today. We've undone the majority of the past 2 to 3 negative trading sessions, which is very positive to see indeed. 5,165 is where we currently find ourselves trading. At the highs of today's session, we did actually briefly hit 5,180. This week is a very big week. If I just quickly take you over to the economic calendar, as you can see on Wednesday, we have the interest rate decision from the Fed, followed by the Fed conference. And then we do have some more data on Thursday. We have, just some US manufacturing PMIs, services PMI. That'll be interesting to see how the price of services, whether it's increased, decreased, because that's, an area where the Fed has struggled to bring down inflation. And then on Friday, we do hear Fed Jerome Powell speak yet again. So lots of Jerome Powell this week, which is going to be very interesting indeed, and will, likely cause some volatility in the market. But, same old. We are still trading within this 21-week trend here for the S&P 500. No damage has been done as of yet. And with that being the case, I expect us to continue trading higher for the foreseeable future until that trend is broken. Nasdaq100, this was the one I was quite worried about going into this week. We did have a false breakout towards the downside during last Friday's trading session, where we ended the session down 1.10%. But today we have seen some very positive reaction here for the Nasdaq 100. We currently find ourselves trading back above 18,000. This is exactly what I wanted to see during today's trading session if we were to argue that this trend was still intact, and that's exactly what we've seen. So a false breakout here, providing that we can close back within this trend, and I would expect us to go and trade back up towards, let's say, 18,300 in the coming days if the Nasdaq 100 can close back above this uptrend line. DowJones30, again, we've managed to recover this trend line. The DowJones30 could potentially go and test 39,000. What I like about the markets, guys, is that we are seeing some broadening out. We're seeing stocks like PayPal trade, trying to explode towards the upside. There's loads of other stocks as well. On days when we're actually seeing, for example, Nvidia's now trading pretty much flat. This stock was up quite significantly earlier on. Seeing stocks like MongoDB, these are stocks that have performed very, very well over the past couple of weeks, months, and the past 12 months really. And we're seeing money flow out of these names, and they're now starting to broaden out and going to names like PayPal, for example. We see stocks like JP Morgan, right, for a financial stock that just hit a brand new all-time high today, up at $191 a share. Also, two other charts that I think you all need to keep a big focus on is the dollar trading higher today, but I do expect us to hit resistance here and ultimately fall lower. And then the 10-year bond yield, we're now at 4.3 resistance. This is an area where I do expect us to start to fall, and that's going to be another tailwind for US equity prices. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget, if you want to join my Signal team and follow my every move in the market, as well as receive my daily market research that I post prior to the US markets opening, then make sure you visit my website by clicking the link in today's video description, which will bring you to my website, and then clicking on this monthly subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all tomorrow.